Amazing and delicious biryani rice. Let's see how to make a delicious and mouth-watering vegetable biryani that will make you want to eat more no matter how much you eat. Let's put a cup of yogurt in a bowl. Add the cauliflower cut into large pieces. Add half a cup of chopped capsicum. Add 1 cup of chopped carrots. Add a cup of green peas. Add 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add a spoonful of chili powder. Add a spoonful of salt. Add 1 spoon of biryani cumin seeds. Add 4 cloves. Add some black pepper. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add a tablespoon of butter. Mix everything well. Take half of it and set it aside. Place a pan on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add a tablespoon of butter. Add all your favorite biryani spices to it. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Add all the marinated vegetables. Cook while stirring well without sticking. Mix well. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and mix well. Cook well, stirring, until 70% cooked. Add a spoon of coriander powder. Add a spoon of roasted cumin powder. Add some mint leaves. Add some coriander leaves. Add 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 cups of water, a little cumin seeds, a little ghee, and the well-cooked basmati rice. Put basmati rice on top again. Again, add the cooked vegetables on top of that layer. Put basmati rice on top again. Add the fried onion till golden brown in color. Add saffron water to it. Add a little biryani masala or garam masala or something. We'll use it for something else. Cover with dish towels and sprinkle some water. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Open the lid and take out all the papers. Cook, eat, enjoy vegetable biryani with your own hands. Serve it hot and eat it. It tastes delicious. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.